Hi everyone, this is Paris Debono of the Fortune Teller Shop, and I thought I would do a Roman bird oracle reading about MAGA. What does MAGA want? So I'm shuffling the cards. I've selected two cards. The first card is the peace dove, and it's going right. So it looks like MAGA wants peace. The card underneath the peace dove is the Swans pair. Looks like MAGA wants unity, and it looks like they want to put America first. The Swans pair is all about focusing on your own location, family, even well-being. So it doesn't look like MAGA wants to go abroad and create issues internationally. Seems like they want to focus on the domestic front. This is Paris Debono of the Fortune Teller Shop, and these are the Roman Bird Oracle by Paris Debono.